Hello and welcome back to the English Knowledge Podcast, your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and learn English at a slow, natural pace. I'm Laura, and I'm happy you're here.
And I'm Tom. In this episode, we'll speak slowly, use simple, clear words, and repeat ideas so you can shadow our voices and practice speaking step by step.
Today, we will talk about how to describe your day in English, not just short sentences, but full ideas.
What do you do in the morning? What happens in your afternoon? What is your evening routine like?
By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your day in English using clear and natural sentences. Let's begin.
Why is it important to practice talking about your day in English?
It's important because your day is real. It happens every day. You know it well. You don't need to search for big words.
You don't need to talk about history, science, or politics. You just need to talk about your life.
You can say what time you wake up, what you eat, if you go to work or stay home, and how you feel, tired, busy, happy, or relaxed.
When you describe your day, you're practicing real English, useful English, the kind you can use in real life.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
When you talk about your day, you begin to think in English and speak more naturally.
Imagine you meet someone new. They ask,
"What did you do today?"
if you've practiced before, you can say,
"I woke up at 7, I went to work, I had coffee and answered emails."
in the evening, I made dinner and watched TV.
And that becomes a full conversation.
Even if you're alone, shy, or not in class, you can still practice. Just start with simple questions.
What did I do today? What time did I wake up? What did I eat? Where did I go?
These questions help you remember vocabulary and think in full sentences.
Let's practice some morning sentences. Repeat after us.
I usually wake up at 7.
Sometimes I wake up earlier, around 6:30 when I have a lot to do.
If I sleep late, I feel tired the next morning.
I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day.
I take a deep breath and stretch my arms and legs.
Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth.
Then I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel awake.
Sometimes I take a quick shower.
After my shower, I put on my clothes.
Then I prepare my breakfast.
I usually eat toast, eggs, or fruit.
I drink coffee most mornings.
Before I leave the house, I check my phone and pack my bag. Now, let's shadow a short story. Listen and repeat.
In the morning, I usually wake up at 7, and after waking up, I usually stretch.
Great job shadowing that.
Now, let's move to the afternoon. Many people are busy during this time.
Let's practice some common sentences.
After lunch, I go back to work.
Sometimes I feel sleepy after I eat.
I check my emails and answer the important ones first.
I usually have 1 or 2 meetings.
I like to keep my desk clean.
I take a short break around 3 o'clock.
If I have time, I study English.
Now listen to a short afternoon routine story.
After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel sleepy after I eat. I check my emails and answer the important ones first. I usually have 1 or 2 meetings. I like to keep my desk clean. I take a short break around 3 o'clock. And if I have time, I study English.
Great. Now your turn. Pause this episode and describe your afternoon in simple sentences.
Let's repeat some evening sentences.
I come home at 6.
I take off my shoes and rest.
I sometimes watch the news or listen to music.
I cook dinner or order food.
I read a book before bed.
And I go to bed around 10:30 or 11.
Great work today. You listened to a full daily routine and practiced real English.
You're not just studying English. You are using English one sentence at a time.
Keep practicing your routine until it feels easy.
This is English Unleashed. I'm Tom.
And I'm Jack. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.